Okay folks, I'm back again this evening. I was here the early hours of this morning doing a nighttime shoot, but there's a little bit of cloud in the sky now, and I've got low tide and sunset. Hopefully the tide won't come rushing in, but the tide height it's quite low, so I am going to wait. There's a little bit of high wispy cloud in the sky, and hopefully that'll light up. I'm set up quite low, using me I'm at about 24mm, and I'm at f16, and I've got a reverse grad filter on and a 1.2 graduated filter on, and a polarizer. So, and I'm just going to play around with the shutter speeds. I may have to remove the filters as the sun drops down. I may not need the filters once the sun's below the horizon, and then hopefully this high wispy cloud that we can see is going to light up and provide some colour, and I'll get my dream shot. I've got all weekend this weekend to actually try and get this shot, because the low tide and the sunsets make this composition workable. But I did vlog my nighttime session, but I did use my DJI Osmo Pocket, and I will put it up, or I'll consider using that footage. But it's really grainy and it's very poor quality. But it was pitch black. It was a full moon and low tide, and so I'll put those images up. But I would like a nice long exposure once the sun goes down, and to just the shells in this honeycomb worm reef, and then the colour and the blacks will make, I think, colour palette wise, those colours will work really well together. I have just done a series of brackets, and some with just and I will take some as the sun starts to hit the horizon line, but hopefully this is going to turn out. I've done same as everything. I try and shoot to print, and find a composition that's worthy of print, and I don't print that many, and I don't expect too many photographs. I'm a big lover of Charlie Waite and Joe Cornish, and their expectations. They don't expect too many wall-hanging photographs per year, but this could prove something interesting. I find I really like this, the repetitive pattern in the foreground, and I'm a proper sea lover anyway. I've done quite a bit of scuba diving in my time. I love the ocean and the ocean life. So again, I'm set up. I've gone a little bit lower. I have reviewed some of the images from my previous visits, and I do think that I need to get lower, but I struggled with my other tripod. So I've come out with my Benro tripod, which I avoid putting in the sea, to be honest. I don't like tripods and the sea, but you'll have to give it a good rinse later. So that's where we're at. It's a very similar composition to what you've already seen. I will show you. Okay, so there you go, folks. That's where I'm at the moment. I've moved it to bracketing, and I may just have to extend that exposure time. It's not the perfectly clean scene, but I think it's impossible to get the scene perfectly clean. So, and I'm not a lover of doing too much shifting in Photoshop and getting rid of things. I like Joe Cornish's approach to just dampen them down in the post-processing with dodging and burning. Okay, so I'm just going to carry on now and concentrate on looking at the sun and then waiting for these colours to develop in the sky. Back in a moment. Okay folks, I've just left you watching the sunset. I'll put that up in the corner as I concentrate on waiting for this light to develop in the sky, and see if the worm collector goes out of my composition. He may do, but the tide's turned now. It's on its way back in, so I have to be careful what I'm up to now. Especially waiting for the tide to come in behind me, so I always keep doing a rear guard check when I'm on the beach. I've been caught out a few times and ended up being really worried about my lenses. So it's lovely and pink over Blackpool. It's just it's nice over Blackpool. It's lovely as the tower's lit up red tonight. It's looking really nice. Oh, here we go, the colours come in now. So let's get you. I better get pressing my shutter button. Some lovely pink hues there. That's really nice. Really nice. But, hopefully I can make something nice and painterly and worthy of print. Oh no. We've got the moon behind us as well. It's in a pink glow. Okay folks, that's oh, I love them pink colours. Absolutely gorgeous, and hopefully it's all that'll be reflected in this pool in front of us. It's a busy composition, but I like it, and there's no perfect composition, I don't believe, so I'm just gonna take a few more and then I'm gonna sign off. it's too nice to leave. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay folks, I'm going to sign off here now. I will put the images up once I've gone through them. I've taken quite a series. I'm well out of practice at seascapes. First time I've used filters for a long time. And like I say, I only really use them now, the grads anyway, for seascapes. But hopefully I've produced something nice tonight and something worthy of print and something worthy for me portfolio. But if you've enjoyed the content, hit the like button. Don't be afraid to press subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'd really appreciate that and your support. Any feedback and comments, I'll do my best to answer comments. I'm here to help as much as I can, as much as I've been helped through the friends I've made through YouTube. So hopefully you've enjoyed this session and this project. I think I'm going to be quite satisfied with what I've got this evening. So I'll call an end to this project and move on to something else. I've got plenty on this coastline to photograph, and hopefully I'll share my seascape photography with you, and you can enjoy my photography as much as I enjoy doing it. All right, thanks again. Bye for now, folks.